How to delete Instagram account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to permanently delete your Instagram account. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the settings section, what you can do is just tap on Account Center. And now here, once you're inside the Account Center, simply scroll down and there you can just tap on Personal Details. And now here in this section, just tap on Account Ownership and Control. And after that, on the next page, you can just select deactivation or deletion. And once you're done with it, just select your Instagram account that you want to delete. And after that, on the next page, just select delete account. And after that, you can just tap on continue. And with this, you can just tap on continue again. And on the next page, you can give the reason for your deletion, and after that you can just tap on continue again, and here you can just tap on continue again. And with that, you can simply scroll down and there you can just tap on continue again, and here you just have to enter your password to confirm it's you. And after that, you can just tap on permanently delete my account, and after that your account will be removed forever along with your post, followers and messages. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.